Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today my name is Deepak from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. USN 1 VE 21 IS016 object orient. Where today we're gonna discuss about object oriented design, a design comprehensive guide. Welcome to this presentation on object oriented design. A powerful paradigm for building complex software systems. We explore the fundamentals object oriented programming. It is the core principles of how effectively the model and design using ununified modeling language. What is object oriented design? Modular approach and real world modeling. Object-oriented design breaks down complex systems into smaller self-contained units called objects. Each object encapsulates data and behavior relevant to a specific aspect of the system. Real-world modeling. The paradigm draws inspiration for real-world entities, allowing developers to model objects as tangible things with properties and actions. This approach makes it easier to understand and work with complex software systems. Key concepts of object oriented design: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Encapsulation, hiding internal implementation details, exposing only necessary interfaces to the outside world. Inheritance, creating new classes that inherit properties and behaviors from existing classes, promoting code and reuse and maintainability. Polymorphism, ability of a object to take on multiple forms, allowing for fixable and adaptive code. Abstraction, simplicity, complex systems by representing only essential features and hiding unnecessary details. Classes and objects. Classes are the blueprints that define the structure and behavior of objects. They contain they contain actions that objects of that class can perform. Instance of classes. Objects are the instance of classes that are created from a class and represent a concrete realization of the class's blueprint. Inheritance and polymorphism, a mechanism that allows a new classes to inherit properties and methods from an existing class. Polymorphism, ability of an object to take on multiple forms, allowing for fixable and adaptive code. Encapsulation, information hiding, data hiding and encapsulation, restricting direct access to an object's internal data, making it accessible only through defined methods. It promotes data integrity and security. Encapsulation, combining data and methods within a single unit, promoting modularity and reusability. Modeling with UML, unamplified modeling language, a standardized graphical language for visualizing, specifying, constructing, and documenting the artifacts of a software intensive system. Benefits: UML simplifies complex software systems, facilitates communication among developers, and provide a visual representation of the system structure and behavior. UML class diagram, static view class representation relationships. Static view represents the structure and relationship between the classes in a system. Represent classes as rectangles with compartments from for name and attributes and methods. Show how classes interact with each other, including inheritance, association, aggregation, and composition. UML sequence diagram, dynamic view, lifeline representation, message representation. Illustrate the dynamic view. The illustrate the interaction and flow of messages between objects over a time. They represent the sequence of actions that occur in the system. Objects are represented as a vertical lines with an activation bar that indicates when an object is active. Message representation are represented as arrows between lifelines indicating the flow of information between objects. Applying object-oriented design principles, modular design, data abstraction, polymorphic behavior, and collaboration. Break down a large system into smaller and manageable objects, promoting core reusability and maintainability. Hide unnecessary data and represent a simplified interface to the outside world and promoting modularity. Utilize the modifiers to analyze data types and behaviors gracefully, enhancing the code flexibility and adaptability. Leverage the power of inheritance and relationship to model complex interactions between objects. Thank you.